Zara the zebra's missing stripes. A short moral story. Zara the zebra woke up one morning to a shocking sight. Half her stripes had vanished. "Oh no," she cried, rushing to the watering hole to check her reflection. The jungle animals stared, whispering. Feeling embarrassed, Zara hid behind a tall bush. "Without my stripes, I don't feel like me," she sighed. Her friend, Leo the lion cub, patted over. "Zara, you're still the same kind, brave zebra. Stripes don't make you special, you do." Zara wasn't convinced, but Leo gathered the other animals. "Let's all show Zara how we see her." Ellie the elephant painted hearts on her trunk. Monkeys danced in black and white patterns. Even the flamingos joined, arranging their feathers in zigzags. Zara giggled. "You all look so silly." "That's how much we care," Leo grinned. Just then, a breeze blew, and Zara's missing stripes reappeared. They were never gone, just covered in jungle pollen. Zara laughed. "I guess I was so worried about how I looked, I forgot what truly matters." Moral: it's not what's on the outside that makes you special, it's who you are inside. Thank you for watching.